Hey there, friends. All right. So by this point, hopefully you have seen Agents Johnson and Johnson. You got your daily briefing. You've opened up your kit, and you have found your Spreading Hope bingo board. All right. So the way this works is there are lots of different options that we can choose to do to help spread hope to those around us this week. So maybe you will choose every day something from this board, or maybe you have something that's not on this board that you would like to do to help spread hope to someone in your family or a neighbor or someone else that you know. And so what we're asking you to do is each day do one Spreading Hope challenge. And every time you complete one of the challenges, we ask that you take a picture and send it to me. Either email it to me, Bethany at spldecatur.org, or post it in our SPL Kids Facebook group. And if you're not a part of that, it is a private group, but you just search SPL Kids on Facebook and you can request to join, and we'll add you so that you can add your pictures. Now, why would you want to add these pictures and send us your pictures? Well, for every single picture that we get in of people spreading hope and completing these bingo challenges, each one of those pictures will equal 1 point. When we all together work together and earn 300 points, Pastor Bill is going to wear a super doopy goofy costume and stand outside of St. Paul's on Friday from 4 to 5 p.m. and give you all a nice big wave in a super goofy costume. What's the costume going to be? It's top secret. So let's work together to spread some hope, complete one challenge each day to get 1 point each day. Now, it's bingo. If you do 5 in a row, up and down, side to side, diagonal, and you send us a picture of your bingo board in addition to your challenge pictures, that's an extra 5 points. And let's say you just really get crazy and you complete every single thing on your board. That's an extra 10 points. You guys, I cannot wait to see Pastor Bill all dressed up in a goofy costume. So let's work together. Let's do our Spreading Hope challenges, and let's make Pastor Bill look super duper goofy. Are you ready? Let's go spread some hope.